I have come to build a bridge, so come let's build. Build, build, build. I have come to build a bridge, so come let's build. Build, build, build. I have come to build a...
Hello. Today we are going to be exploring leverage points and systems. Leverage points was originally coined by Donella Meadows in 1997 and has since revolutionized how we understand how social change works. But first, let's clarify what a system is. A system is an organized or connected group of things, like a family, a forest, or a community. So what is a leverage point? A leverage point is a place in a system that we can act to affect change. A low leverage point is when we do a small action and it affects a small change. A high leverage point is when we do a small action and it affects a big change. These high leverage points accelerate social change. So for example, if we have a broken staircase in a park where people are constantly falling and hurting themselves, a low leverage point would be to set up a first aid station at the bottom of the staircase to help people when they get hurt. A medium leverage point would be to find that broken stair and fix it so that people stop getting hurt at least for the time being. And a high leverage point would be to pause and think about why people are getting hurt precisely at that place and redesign what needs to be redesigned so that it does not ever happen again. So according to Donella Meadows, there are 12 points to intervene in a system. But let's keep it simple and stick to 5 using the iceberg model. At the top of the iceberg, we have actions. These are the most visible. And if we are acting at this level, we are reacting when we're trying to solve a problem. For example, in the broken staircase, setting up that first aid station is at the action level. Reacting is still the most common approach to resolving solutions, with roughly 80% of society trying to respond or react to problems that they see at this level. Below the waterline, we have behavior, which result in the actions. If we are focusing our energy at the behavior level, we might be able to rock the iceberg a little bit, but it will float right back up because we are not addressing the problem deep enough. For example, in the case of the broken staircase, people will be asked to take another route to the park instead of the staircase. That is a response at the behavior level. But it clearly does not resolve the problem because we're not getting to the heart of it. So we start finding leverage points that really can affect a longer lasting change in systems such as communities or families or forests or ecosystems at the structure level. So however, structures are a result of strategies like policies or plans. And using the broken staircase example, we could explore if there are policies that regulate the construction of staircases, and if there isn't one, we can create one. So the greatest leverage points are found at the bottom of the iceberg, at the paradigm, purpose, and principles level, essentially the way we think. And in the example of the broken staircase, if we're working at the paradigm level, we could call for a community meeting where neighbors can come together and share what they think about the park, what the park means to them, and what potential they see in the park. Maybe they imagine that the park could become a real center of the community for community celebration where people can come and build friendships. So in summary, if we see the iceberg from the bottom up, our paradigm is what informs the strategies around us. The strategies create the structures around us. These structures generate how we behave, and our behavior results in the actions that we do. In short, the deeper down the iceberg we act, the more leverage our actions have. Okay, please see the video on iceberg analysis for more information on how we can identify both root problems and leverage points. Thank you.
So come, let's live, 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 live. I have come to live in peace. So come, let's live.